Thanks to pass after that. Maybe I will do my best. So I will talk how Galaxy is facing Earth system data science challenges, and this work is a part of the EOS Ferris project and the Galaxy community. So thanks to Marie-José, who cannot be here today, but is the people who is the most involved in this project. Thanks to Yvan and Pauline, who is here on their one. And let's go. So the first thing to do is to put Galaxy in what could be an IT architecture to deal data and service and tool for Earth system science, and which is represented by this scheme. And at the beginning, we choose to put Galaxy as a workflow solution. So it's normal. Why we choose Galaxy? Because it's a well-established, sustainable platform. It deals with all the operation during the data lifecycle, and it's very flexible, and we can add many tools in many programming language. We can add user data, or reference data, or model, and we can plug with many infrastructure. Now, not because Yvan say we achieve to do that with ecology, try to do that for our system. So we will do the same. So what is our system science? It's many fields and subdisciplines, from cartography to coastal geomorphology. But they share the same needs: fair access, user-friendly visualization, scalable compute, shareable workflows. So the best thing to do is went to Freiburg. And so we did. We went to Freiburg in 2023 with this slide, a mock-up, and we say we want a new subdomain for Earth system. And it was a CoFest on Friday. And very quickly, we have that, a new subdomain on Galaxy Europe for Earth system. So we can add some tool, we can add some workflow, we can add some training. And we did. And now we have some training, between 20 or 30 training for Earth system. We document all we did during the project, how we did the subdomain, how to discover all the data we had, all the tool we had. And we also open a community hub. We have the domain, we have the training, the tool, and we have the community. So if you have a good see, we can contact Marie or me if you have any question about using of Earth system, Galaxy for Earth system. So now at this point we are technically ready to go forward, and we have to discuss with researchers. We have some expectation, not the same as the IT scheme, but quite the same in terms of data access, in terms of can use some processing tools on the interactive environment like Jupyter Lab, RStudio, or a more specific one like QGIS or Ocean Data View. They want to make some data analysis in workflows, to write and to read many trainings, and so to make cross-domain sciences. So the Ferris project is a place to do that, because the Ferris project onboard 5 scientific pilots. From I spoke about that yesterday. qualification of in situ biogeochemical ocean data, from provide quality marinomics data with rock rate, analysis river estuaries in the Italian region, monitors global volcanic activity, mixing ground data and atmospheric data, satellite atmospheric data, provide some land degradation indicator. And I make the term, I think, all the term, I think. It's not the good presentation. Perhaps I can refresh. I think it's not the good version. The good version on the drive. Let's refresh. Well, it's a PDF, right? I think it's a copy of the version which is in the drive. So, which one? This one. I can continue with that. Okay, continue. Let's try this one. Can you click? Is it still clickable? Okay, so we discussed with researchers, and end-to-end we designed 5 or more workflow, but at least one workflow for each pilot. And so I list the workflow. One to perform qualification of nitrate data, one to subset marine data and visualize some variables, one about annotation using neural networks, and another one to cross-analysis satellite data and ground data for volcanic activity, and one for land degradation, which are not in this slide. Yeah. And now we start from a mock-up 2 years ago, and we have a new mock-up because the ferries project is ended, but Galaxy for Earth system will continue into local initiative and into new project like Gaia data and with the national French infrastructure named Data Terra. And thank you. Any question?
Questions? No questions for ferries?